Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 18 how to follow a hashtag on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application GRIDS, go to the search box which is on top, the middle of your page, search and explore for a hashtag. In this case, will be computer science. Search for this, navigate to tags, click on this. As you can see, all the photos and videos that are relevant to the tag itself are given to us on screen. So now I can actually follow the hashtag itself. Go to my home page, go to my profile, and navigate to what I am following and who I'm following. Click on this. And as we can see, I am following two hashtags, computer science and computer science videos. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.